My name is Mansha Patul Rizvi and I am from class 8th. Nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Let's protect and preserve it on World Environmental Day. Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear friends. On the special occasion of Earth Day, we come together to celebrate and protect our beautiful planet. This day reminds us that even small steps can make a big difference in saving our environment. Before we begin, let me introduce my amazing team. This is Jayashree Yadav, this is Misbah Zahra, this is Simriddhi Singh and this is Namra Siddiqui. Today we would like to speak about an extraordinary yet often overlooked ally in our fight against climate change and environmental degradation. Have you ever imagined that a single tree can protect our planet, provide nutrition and protect our planet, provide and purify water? Yes, Moringa does all of this and more. Now Jayashree will tell you about environmental benefits of the Moringa oleifera.
Now, I would like to explain about the environmental benefits. Drumstick tree grow fast in tropical and semi-arid region, reaching up to height of 5 meters within just 6 months. Its rapid growth and extensive system reduce erosion, prevent land degradation, especially in areas prone to drought or heavy rainfall. Contribution to water purification. Another remarkable eco-service of drumstick tree is its role in water purification. The seeds of drumstick contain natural coagulating agents that remove bacteria, tiny particles and even heavy metal from turbid water. Support biodiversity. Moringa tree provide food and shelter to birds and insects. Its flower attract pollination like bees. This maintains the balance in ecosystem. Air purification. Moringa tree absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. It reduces air pollution. This supports to clean and make our environment healthy. Cooling effect. Moringa keeps the environment cool. Its leaves give light shade and fresh air. It makes the environment comfortable for people and animals. Moringa is not just a plant. It is a tree of life that can clean our soil, water and air. Now, the reducing pressure or chemical inputs are explained by Misbah.
Reducing pressure on chemical inputs. Because drumstick leaves are rich in nutrients and organic matter, they can be used as green manure or compost in agriculture. When incorporated into the soil, they enrich with nitrogen and other minerals, improving the soil fertility without relying heavily on synthetic fertilizers. Runoff chemicals into water bodies easily, which prevent water bodies from water pollution and more with just some conventional fertilizers use. Planting drumstick along roadside, homestead gardens and community forestry program could help with green cities and towns. Now the rest are explained by Samriddhi.
It also plays an important role in improving air quality in polluted cities. As its dense foliage helps filter dust and particulate matter from the air, it contributes more pleasant area and living spaces and empower communities and livelihoods by providing multiple products like leaf, pod, seed and even wood from a single plant. Now, fun fact of Moringa tree is explained by Namra.
Moringa, called the miracle tree. Why? Because its every part, leaf, flower, seed, pods, are usable. Where it grows in the tropical and subtropical region, found in the countries like India, Africa and Southeast Asia. Needs to grow moringa are less water, warm climate and well-drained soil. Parts of the moringa tree are flower, seed, pod and bark, and every part is very usable. Nutritional values. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, calcium and iron, protein and antioxidant. It is considered to be a superfood because of its high nutrition. Health benefit. Boost immunity, help in digestion, improve eyesight, control blood sugar and good for skin and hair. Medical uses like use in traditional medicines, help to reduce inflammation, support heart health and used to treat anemia. Uses in daily life. Moringa leaf used in salad and soup. Pods used in cooking, seeds used in oil, and powder used as a health supplement. Interesting fact, Moringa called the tree of life because its every part is usable. It can grow up 10 to 20 meters and can grow very fast. Almost every part of the moringa tree is edible. Moringa is truly a gift of nature. By plantation and using it wisely, we can protect our environment and improve our health. Now conclusion explained by Mansha.
Planting a drumstick tree is not just an act of adding greenery, it is a step toward a healthier future for ourselves and our environment. Let's just not stop planting one tree. Together, we will make this environment cleaner, greener and more sustainable. Thank you and have a great day.